Welcome to our exploration of Cairo, Egypt, a city steeped in history and vibrant culture. In this video, we'll unveil the top 15 best things to do in this bustling metropolis. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, Cairo offers a unique blend of experiences that will captivate any traveler. Number 15. Experience a traditional Egyptian meal. Indulging in a traditional Egyptian meal is a delightful journey for your taste buds, featuring dishes like koshari, a hearty mix of rice, lentils, and pasta topped with spicy tomato sauce. While it ranks at number 15, this culinary experience offers a comforting introduction to Egyptian flavors, setting the stage for the more intricate and exotic dishes that await higher on our list. Number 14. Visit the Royal Mummies Hall. Step into the Royal Mummies Hall at the Egyptian Museum, where you can marvel at the preserved remains of ancient pharaohs. This captivating experience offers a glimpse into the past, showcasing the artistry of mummification and the grandeur of Egypt's royal lineage. While it ranks at number 14, it serves as a fascinating prelude to the more immersive historical experiences that lie ahead on our list. Number 13. Take a day trip to Saqqara. A day trip to Saqqara unveils the ancient step pyramid of Djoser, the world's oldest stone pyramid, surrounded by fascinating tombs and hieroglyphs. This archaeological site offers a serene escape from Cairo's hustle, ranking at number 13 as it provides a glimpse into Egypt's architectural evolution, paving the way for the more iconic pyramids that await higher on our list. Number 12. Explore the Cairo Opera House. The Cairo Opera House is a stunning architectural gem that showcases Egypt's rich cultural scene, featuring performances ranging from ballet to classical music. This vibrant venue ranks at number 12, offering a sophisticated contrast to the ancient sites, and serves as a cultural hub that highlights the modern artistic expressions of Egypt, setting the stage for even grander experiences higher on our list. Number 11. Visit the Museum of Islamic Art. The Museum of Islamic Art is a treasure trove of exquisite artifacts, showcasing the rich tapestry of Islamic culture through stunning ceramics, textiles, and calligraphy. Ranking at number 11, this museum offers a serene environment to appreciate the artistry and history that shaped the Islamic world, providing a thoughtful contrast to the more monumental attractions that lie ahead on our list. Number 10. Wander through Al-Azhar Park. Al-Azhar Park is a beautifully landscaped oasis in the heart of Cairo, offering stunning views of the city's skyline and historic mosques. Ranking at number 10, this serene escape invites visitors to stroll through lush gardens and enjoy tranquil fountains, providing a refreshing contrast to the bustling streets while setting the stage for more immersive cultural experiences that await higher on our list. Number 9. Discover the Hanging Church. The Hanging Church, or St. Virgin Mary's Coptic Orthodox Church, is a remarkable architectural marvel built atop a Roman fortress. Ranking at number 9, this historic site captivates visitors with its intricate woodwork and stunning icons, offering a glimpse into Egypt's rich Christian heritage. Its unique suspended design contrasts beautifully with the more grandiose religious sites that follow on our list. Number 8. Visit the Mosque of Muhammad Ali. The Mosque of Muhammad Ali, also known as the Alabaster Mosque, is an iconic landmark perched atop the Citadel of Cairo, showcasing stunning Ottoman architecture. Ranking at number 8, its grand dome and intricate minarets create a breathtaking silhouette against the skyline. This majestic site offers a spiritual experience that contrasts with the more ancient wonders that lie higher on our list, enriching your journey through Cairo. Number 7. Explore Coptic Cairo. Coptic Cairo is a historic district rich in Christian heritage, featuring ancient churches, including the stunning Church of St. Sergius and Bacchus. Ranking at number 7, this area offers a unique glimpse into Egypt's diverse religious history, with its narrow streets and tranquil atmosphere providing a stark contrast to the bustling markets nearby, setting the stage for even more significant cultural experiences higher on our list. Number 6. Visit the Citadel of Saladin. The Citadel of Saladin is a magnificent fortress that offers panoramic views of Cairo and houses the stunning Mosque of Muhammad Ali. Ranking at number 6, this historical site is a testament to medieval Islamic architecture and military prowess, providing a captivating blend of history and breathtaking scenery. Its strategic importance and grandeur set it apart from the more intimate experiences that await higher on our list. Number 5. Take a Nile River cruise. A Nile River cruise offers a serene and picturesque way to experience the heart of Egypt, gliding past ancient temples and lush landscapes. Ranking at number 5, this leisurely journey allows you to soak in the beauty of the river while enjoying onboard dining and entertainment. Its tranquil ambiance contrasts with the more dynamic experiences that lie higher on our list, making it a perfect introduction to Egypt's wonders. Number 4. See the Sphinx. The Sphinx, with its enigmatic gaze and massive limestone body, is one of the most iconic symbols of ancient Egypt, standing guard near the Great Pyramids. Ranking at number 4, this monumental statue captivates visitors with its mysterious history and impressive scale. Its timeless presence offers a profound connection to Egypt's past, contrasting with the even grander experiences that await higher on our list. Number 3. Stroll through Khan El Khalili Bazaar. Khan El Khalili Bazaar is a vibrant marketplace brimming with colorful stalls selling everything from handcrafted jewelry to aromatic spices. Ranking at number 3, this bustling hub immerses visitors in the sights, sounds, and scents of Cairo, offering a sensory experience unlike any other. Its lively atmosphere and rich cultural heritage provide a delightful contrast to the more historical sites that precede it on our list. Number 2. Explore the Egyptian Museum. The Egyptian Museum houses an unparalleled collection of ancient artifacts, including the treasures of Tutankhamun and stunning mummies. Ranking at number 2, this museum is a treasure trove of history, offering deep insights into Egypt's rich past through its meticulously curated exhibits. Its vast array of relics provides a captivating experience that beautifully complements the even more iconic wonders awaiting at the top of our list. Number 1. Visit the Pyramids of Giza. The Pyramids of Giza, including the majestic Great Pyramid, are the last remaining wonders of the ancient world, embodying the grandeur of Egyptian civilization. Ranking at number 1, these monumental structures captivate visitors with their sheer scale and historical significance, offering a profound connection to the past. Their iconic status and breathtaking presence set them apart from all other experiences in Cairo, making them an unmissable highlight of any journey. In this video, we explored the top 15 best things to do in Cairo, from the iconic Pyramids of Giza at number 1 to the vibrant Khan El Khalili Bazaar at number 3. Each experience offers a unique glimpse into the rich tapestry of Cairo's history and culture. We encourage you to dive deeper into these attractions and discover the magic of this incredible city. Your adventure awaits.